Today I will make a calculator on the Python console. Sorry for the mistakes. Have a good viewing. Now I'm recruiting a team to enter the first number, action, and second number. I'm dialing. If you need to go out, dial the exit. Now I'm dialing the first number, action, and second number so that I can make an example. For action. Now I'll recruit a special team for action. And I'm dialing how it will go. The last part. Now I type codes for errors if the user divides by 0 or entered not numbers. I'm dialing an invalid action. The last special command of value error. Command to enter characters other than numbers. Everything is ready. The calculator is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Put likes, subscriptions, and click the bell.